I am from Govgrass, Maths. I shall explain question number 9 that has been taken from exercise 6.3, chapter 6, application of derivatives. Find the point on the curve y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which the tangent is y equal to x minus 11. Now come out to solution here. Solution implied that let the point x comma y be on the curve. Here again I shall write the curve y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. Differentiating y with respect to x imply that d over dx of y equal to d over dx of x cube minus 11 dot d over dx of x plus d over dx of 5 imply that here in center function y is available. D will be conjugated to y, comes out to be dy over dx. So here I shall write dy over dx equal to d over dx of x cube comes out to be 3x square minus 11 I shall write d over dx of x comes out to be 1 plus d over dx of 5. Here 5 is a constant. The first order derivative of a constant comes out to be 0. D over dx of 5 comes out to be 0. So here we have got implied that dy over dx equal to 3x square minus 11. Implied that dy over dx at xy comes out to be 3x square minus 11. This thing you have got. Hence, the slope of the tangent to the curve equal to 3x square minus 11. Hence, the slope of the tangent to the curve equal to 3x square minus 11. Hence, the slope of the tangent to the curve equal to 3x square minus 11. Now again I shall write the given tangent implied that y equal to x minus 11. Comparing it with y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c is the general equation of a line. So here we shall get m equal to 1 because the coefficient of x here is 1. Here coefficient of x is m. Here coefficient of x is 1. So m equal to 1 you have got. Equal to the slope of the given tangent equal to 1. The slope of the given tangent, this is the given tangent y equal to x minus 11. The slope of the given tangent y equal to x minus 11 will be 1. Now the slope of the tangent to the curve equal to the slope of the given tangent. Now the slope of the tangent to the curve equal to slope of the given tangent. Given tangent का slope we have got here 1 and slope of the tangent to the curve you have got dy over dx at point xy equal to 3x square minus 11. So here again I shall write 3x square minus 11 equal to 1 imply that 3x square equal to 12 imply that x square equal to 4. Again I shall write x equal to plus minus 2. This thing we have got. Here again I shall write when x equal to 2 imply that y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 imply that y equal to 2 cube minus 11 2 plus 5 equal to y equal to 8 minus 22 plus 5 comes out to be y equal to minus 9. At point here x equal to 2, so 2 will become here abscissa and y equal to minus 9 we have got, so here write minus 9. The line y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1. The line y minus y1 equal to m dot in bracket x minus x1. So here again y minus y1 equal to m dot in bracket x minus x1. This is general equation of a line. So here I shall put y1 you have got here minus 9. So here I write y minus in bracket minus 9 equal to the value of m I shall take from this place 1. In bracket I shall write x minus x1 I shall write 2. So this thing you have got here implied that y minus in bracket minus 9 comes out to be y plus 9 equal to x minus 2, implied that y equal to x minus 11. Hence, the point 2 comma minus 9 lies on the given tangent hence the point 2 comma minus 9 lies on the given tangent. Now when I shall take when x equal to here from this place x equal to minus 2, so we shall get y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 comes out to be y equal to the value of x I shall write here minus 2 का whole cube minus 11 here write minus 2 plus 5 equal to y equal to minus 8 plus 22 plus 5. So we shall get here y equal to 19. So here x equal to minus 2, y equal to 19. So here I shall write another point minus 2, 19. This is the given tangent y equal to x minus 11. Check whether another point 2 minus 2 comma 19 will satisfy the given tangent y equal to x minus 11 or not. So here I shall write y equal to x minus 11. The here value of y I shall put 19. Here value of x I shall here put minus 2 minus 11. Comes out to be 19 will not be equal to minus 13. Minus 13. Hence, minus 2 comma 19 does not lie on the given tangent. So here you have got answer the desired point 2 comma minus 9 will satisfy the given tangent y equal to x minus 11. That's why correct answer will be the desired point 2 comma minus 9, in which 2 is abscissa, minus 9 is ordinate. Abscissa and ordinate together makes a coordinate. The answer, this is the answer you have got. This is the proper explanation of question number 9. Okay, thanks.